It's been a privilege to have been here in North West Wales today, the day on which UNESCO awarded World Heritage status to the slate landscape of North West Wales. A really proud history that continues to today to shape the landscape, the culture, the language, the experience of living in this part of Wales. It will link the history that is so important here to the future, to the sort of future that will continue to celebrate everything that makes this part of Wales so special, and now to have that marked on the world stage. And where better to do it than here in Llanberis, in the Slate Museum, already capturing and celebrating the history that makes this place so significant and so important. Congratulations to everybody, to the local authority, to all those who have played such an important part in what has been a 10-year journey to today's celebration.